Hello everyone, I am DM Kaliselvi, Assistant Professor, CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. Subject code is 22CS102. Subject title is Software Development Practices, Theory course with Laboratory Component. First semester 2022 to 23, Unit 5. The technical support is given by IMU Company. Unit 5 title is JavaScript Objects. Now we are going to see about JavaScript string object. Under JavaScript, many primitive objects are available. Math, date, string, boolean, number, etc. So now we are going to see about JavaScript string objects. So strings are used for storing and manipulating text. String is 0 or more characters written within quotes. So we can use single or double quotes. There is an example for creating string objects. I'm using let keyword. Let car name 1 is equal to Volvo XC60. Here I'm using double quotes. So the same can be done with single quotes. Here, let answer 1 is equal to, inside the double quotes, I'm using single quote, that is single quote, yes, but this will be considered as it will be printed. It's not will be considered as a string objects. The similar one for answer 2 and answer 3. String length. To find the length of a string, you can use a inbuilt method string length. For example, let text is equal to A, B, C, D up to Z. Let length is equal to text dot length. So length variable will have the value 26. Escape character. The backslash escape character turns special characters into string characters. So in the text, so that means the text which we want to print in the HTML web page containing special characters like single quotes, double quotes, ampersand, at so like this is special symbols have to be used, means we can give that one using black slash and single quote. If it is a black slash should be given as an output, we can use double black slash. Is an example. Let's text is equal to, we are the so-called. So I'm going to give Vikings under quotes. So I'm using backslash quotes Vikings backslash quote from the north. So this will be considered as we are the so-called Vikings will be in double quotes from the north. This will be the exact output. This is a similar example for it's all right also. Is an example program for to depict the length property. In under script tag, I'm assigning length. Let text is equal to A to Z. So text dot length will return 26. That will be the output. Next is search method. So is an inbuilt method to search a character in a string. For example, let text is equal to Mr. Blue as a blue house. Now I'm going to search blue word. I mean BLUE, these words. So blue words in the given string. So it will, the search function will return the position of the first match in the given string. So let position will get the position value. So it is at the fourth position. So string will be saved as a character array. So it will start with M. So M will be the 0th position or with the 1 position. Dot will be the 2nd position. Third will be the empty space. Fourth will be the letter B. So the starting position for blue will be 4. That will be returned as the output. Next is split method. So using this method, a string can be splitted into substrings and it can return into array of substrings. So first I'm declaring a variable text is equal to how are you doing today. So this will be a string. Next I am splitting this text with spaces. So here text dot split and within the course I'm giving empty space. You can give any word, any letter. That means any character can also be used, that we're using that characters we can split it. So here the now the entire string will be splitted into how, then are, then you, then doing, then today. Now I'm going to print that one. See here, the splitted words are separated by commas to show the difference between the string and the substrings. Date method. JavaScript date objects methods for date and time manipulation. Date and time manipulation can be performed based on the computer's local time zone or based on world time, Greenwich Mean Time. Most methods of date objects have a local time zone and UTC version. Now we are going to see how we are using date object. For creating a date object, we can use the keyword new. Const d is equal to new date. So it will return a date object value and will be stored in under the variable d. Now d is a date object. So I am going to assign the value. I'm going to print this value in the document dot get element by id dot inner html. So it will print the current date. So it will print here today's date is March 12. So that date will get printed and current time will get printed. Now, if I want to create a date object with assigning a value, that means a date value, which is an inbuilt value. If I use a definely, I want to give some value that will be the constant value for the date function. That can also be given. So within the quotes, I can mention the year date. So const d new date. So this will be the value for the date. That corresponding value will get printed. Some of the ways using which date objects can be created. There are 9 ways to create a new date objects. New date. So it will create the date for the current, it will create a date object for the current date. New date within the brackets date string, you can assign here any date values to the, so that will be the constant value for the date object. And also, so we can mention the ways the date can be stored. So new date, year comma month, the only year and month will be stored under date. New date, year, month, day. So the date will be stored in the order of year, month, date. New date, year, month, day, hours. So in this only, to a date along with the time will be measured in hours. New date, year, month, day, hours, minutes will display the date with the time with hours and minutes. New date, year, month, day, hours, minutes and seconds. So it will print the day with time with seconds. Even milliseconds can be used. The entire time can be displayed as milliseconds. New date within the course milliseconds. So this based upon the use of the web page, the variety of ways we can create a date objects. An example for each type. New date string. So I'm assigning the value October 13, 2014 with the corresponding time. So this will be the initial value until it can, if want to change in the change the values in the further of the program. Next is year and month. Here I'm mentioning new date. Year is 2018, month 11, and then 24 for hours, minutes, milliseconds. So this is a variety of ways, and even a date can be converted into two formats, UTC string format and ISO format. Now, some of the methods available under the date objects are get full year. It will return the year in under 4-digit number. For example, 1992. Get month will return the month number. So, month will be numbered as for Jan 0, February 1 like that up to 11 for December. It will return the current month. Get day. So it will return the current day from 1 to 31. Next, current get day. It will get the current weekday as per numbers. Starts with Sunday as 0, Monday 1, Tuesday 2, up to Saturday as 6. Get hours. It will return the current hour. For example, if it is 12:30, it will return as 12. But it is in the format of 24 hours format. If it is 12 a.m., it will be 12. If it is 12 p.m., it will be 23. Get minutes. So it will return the minutes. For example, 11:30 means 30 will be the return value corresponding to the get seconds and get milliseconds. Get time will return the milliseconds since January 1, 1970. Set date methods. If you want to say setting a part of the date means you can use this method. So set date, we can set the day as a number. Set full year will set the year. Set hours will set the hours from 0 to 23. Set milliseconds will set the milliseconds from 0 to 999. Set minutes will set the minutes from 0 to 59. Set method will set the method month to 0 to 1. Set seconds will set the seconds from 0 to 59. Set time will set the time from milliseconds since January 1, 1970. Some of the JavaScript string methods are character at. So it will return the character at the particular position number which is given under the brackets. Character code, concat string 1, string 2. So they using this function, multiple strings can be concatenated. Includes n with. So n with using this function, we can find the values in the string which ends with the corresponding value which is given in the brackets. Index of. So it will return the index number of the corresponding character in the string. Lost index of will return the lost index of the corresponding character in the string. Match will return the match value, matched location, position of the substring or character which is given within the brackets. Match all will return the all the position. So the difference between match and match all is match will return the first position, match all will return the all the possible positions. Next is repeat. It will check for the repeating characters or substrings available in the strings. Replace will replace a corresponding character with a new character or corresponding string with a new string for the first occurrence. Replace all will replace the corresponding string substring for the entire string. Search will return the position of the first occurrence of the string substring in the string. Slice will divide the string into array. Split will divide with the specified separators within the quotes in the string into substring. Starts with will return the position of the substrings available in the string with the starting characters which is given in the brackets. Substring. So the corresponding substring position will be returned. To lowercase will convert the entire string into lowercase. To uppercase will return the entire string into uppercase. To string will return the whatever the value. It can be a number, character, whatever it may be, it be converted into string. Trim will cut off the value length of the string which is given within the quotes. Value of will return the value of the corresponding index value. So some examples using slides methods extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in new string. The method takes two parameters, start position and end position. Under script, let text is equal to apple, banana, kiwi. I'm slicing the text string with the values 7, 13. So the value, only the sliced value will get printed. So at the 7th position, and I'm dividing the string from the 7th position. So 0 it will be A, 1 P, 2 P, 3 L, 4 E, 5, 6 empty space, 7 will be B, banana. So from the 7th position till 13th position. So B, A, N, A, N, A. 6th position. So 7 plus 6, 13. 13th position will end with A. So only banana will get printed. So this one, the ways, some of the alternating ways for slices. If I'm giving only 7, some without 7, 13, if I'm giving only 7, means it's where the string will be sliced from the 7th position, and the end position doesn't give means that it will display the entire string after from the 7th position. So banana, kiwi will get printed. So let part slice -12. So it will print from the backward position. Output will be banana, kiwi. Substring. So start and end value is given. Starting value is -1 and end value is 13. So it will print from apple to kiwi, apple to banana. Here I'm using the substring as value as 7, and it will print the strings from 7 to the 6th position. So 6th position will be a banana will get printed. These methods which we already discussed, string length will return the length of a string, slice extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in a new string. Substring will similar to slice, but the difference is the start and end values less than zeros are treated as zeros in substrings. So replace will replace a specified value with another value in the string. So uppercase will convert the string from uppercase to uppercase. String to lowercase will convert the string to lowercase. String search example. Let text is equal to please locate where locate occurs. This is the given text. I'm going to find the last index of locate. So it will return the last index of locate word. So it will be in the 7th position. Next is index of locate from the 15th position. So the output will be 21. So the difference between last index of and index of is locate will display the first position of the word locate in the given string. Index of will mention the starting index value. So the compiler will check from the 15th position in the string. So this value locate which within quotes that will in the 21 position will be get printed. Next is string dot search locate. So the location of the locate keyword locate substring in the given string. So it will return 7. Next is text dot match AIN. So the match, how many matches are available? It will return the first match value 1. It is AIN. Next is text dot match all cats. So the possible cats values are available here. Matching all the cats values. So 2 cats value are there. Thank you.